Touch Disc Golf. Welcome to our installation video for our wall hanging disc displays. So, the things that you will need are a level, a screwdriver, a drill with a 1/4" drill bit. The first thing you want to do is figure out where it wants to go on the wall. So what I've done here is I've found the center, I've made a mark, so you can see that's going to go right there. So next, I want to mark the mounting holes. So the holes have been marked. Next, you want to drill the 2 1/4" holes. Next step is to put the wall plugs in the wall. Then you'll want to tap them in flush. Next step is to fasten the disc hanger to the wall. Both screws are now fastened tightly and we're ready to put some discs on the wall. There we go, perfect.